Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys, you are doing great. All right, in this video, we are going to learn on how you can never be captured by market makers using this system. How the system arranges itself in a simplest manner that any trader can understand, mastering this system when it comes for trading. And we are going to check that on deep, and I would like you to follow this video and thank God for those people who are already connected to our copier. Remember, we are giving a free copy after purchasing signal generating EA at only 650. You get free copier. Why are we offering free copier? It's because we want people to earn and learn. So we want you to master the system as you become an independent trader, or you become a full-time trader, or you employ yourself as you build confidence because of the money that we are banking for you. This is our third week since we started copier, and we have been doing a great work. And now in this video, because we must educate you all, there is some of the secrets that I want to expose here. It's already on our Telegram TFX dynamic courses. After purchasing the system, make sure you are added on that group in order to understand the secret. So in this video, we are going to see how the system arranges itself and how it makes things easier for you, and you can never ever be trapped by market makers in any way. All right, these are some of the signals that we took this morning, but we are not going to discuss that. We are going to discuss currently where the market is and why we are expecting to buy. I was about to buy. All right, guys. So, okay, let's start by what we confirm from our higher time frame. Our higher time frame is minute 15, minute 10, and minute 20. We look control shift candle and a strength candle and breakout candle when they breaks highs and lows. Now, let's start here in minute 10, right? And here in minute 10. In first minute 10 here, there is a video on how to arrange the charts. So it's very simple. We just attach this minute 15 candle confirmation, or minute confirmation template, minute 15, sorry. The second minute 10, we have the second minute, what is second minute 10? The second chart of minute 10, we attach second confirmation, minute 15 confirmation candle. Now, let's start here. Let's begin here so that you can understand what I'm about to say, because anything can change from now, right? Because the system is automated and auto detector, so it can detect if this now area is relevant, then it can change to our high. Sometimes you don't know if the market has already broken this area and if you can go up or down, or market it was a false breakout before dropping down. And remember, we banked this market here today. Here we have already banked some good money. Now at this point here, let's go back to this confirmation one, minute 10 confirmation one. Minute 10 confirmation one, it has already indicated that we have a resistance at this area. Yet in a second confirmation two, when we talk about confirmation two, it is already here. TFX second minute 15 confirmation. This are the templates we attach on plain charts. All right. Now here we can see we are in here. There is a breakout that shows us that it might be a false breakout, let's say for instance, but you don't know where to go when the market is here. What will give us confidence either to scalp, and if we scalp, to go up until where? This is why this system is so professional when it comes to hit and run. As we can see here, there is a consolidation here and a rejection, meaning that there is a high possibility for this market to go up. All right. And when it goes up, where are we expecting to reach, or where are we expecting for maybe TP or something else, where we're expecting market maybe to reach and to have a reversal at this point? Because we can see also we have a resistance at this area. And if we zoom in, if we zoom out, for example, we can see that it is a strong resistance here. All right. The same thing, it is a strong support here. So this market, we don't know exactly if it's going back to retest the resistance here or supply at this point, again, dropping. All right. So we don't know if this market is going up at that area, dropping, then it can go up. We don't know. All right. And we don't know if this market can drop down, all right, retest, then go down. We don't know, because here we are seeing we are in a resistance, and here we are in a support. But if we go in a second confirmation, it's very easy to detect. We have a support here that was once a resistance, not just once as a resistance, but in the first confirmation one, it is already a resistance at this point. Are we getting the point here? So now, at this area, you can never be confused. Let's say, for example, here, because if this one, we don't know if we can buy or not, it is in the middle of the market. No, it is not in the middle of the market if we can go back to our second confirmation is rejecting the support at this point that once was a resistance. And the next resistance, it is at this point. Now, that is not enough. Since now we are seeing there is a rejection here, we are waiting for this candle formation, the candle closure of that minute 10. For instance, if we're going to take these trades and maybe live here, let's go to minute 3 confirmation 1. In minute 3 confirmation 1, we can all see now what I've been telling you, that the market must create internal structures. All right, internal structure. So we are waiting for the market to break this point, all right, with a good candle formation or as a strength candle. Then we can bank at least to this area, because it is a hit and run. All right, so we already know here we have internal structure that the market is creating. And as we have seen on minute 10, there is a high possibility for this market to go up if it will respect this support at this point or resistance. So if this market ignores, or maybe if that signal will backfire, then there is no problem, because we already know we are in a resistance. So then we can look for a sell opportunities. All right, but at this moment, we don't sell, we just buy gold, because it's not a good time. We analyze gold even from fundamental analysis to understand what we can do with gold. The time of selling gold is coming very soon. It's coming. But for now, we only buy because it's doing great, right? Now, let's go back now to minute 3 to see how we are waiting for this signal. Second, here we have minute 3 second confirmation. All right, let me attach it here so that again we can see where we are expecting this. In first confirmation, we see where the resistance is, and we had a false breakout at this point. Yet it can be also our target for our entry if all goes well. So in our second confirmation minute 3, remember we have first confirmation minute 3 template, all right, and second confirmation minute 3 template. We can all see there is a breakout, and again it shows like there is a market respected this area, and the market is ready to go down, because now here, according to this is a structure. Then the market came to this point, did not break this structure, then market create another structure. So we are waiting. If we were to sell this market, we would have waited for the market to break this internal structure with a strength candle. Then we can sell this market. Why? Because it will be a break of this support, and support will become resistant. And secondly, we have an internal structure that is already created here, but the confirmation of a higher time frame must be combined. So we must check that before selling. So we cannot just sell because we are seeing an internal structure being broken or being taken out. So we cannot just sell without confirming from higher time frame. Right. So it is very clear when we understand this system, because if now minute 10 here, it's telling us we can scalp to this point, and there is a chances of this also market to go down, all right, it is very clear on our minute 3 because we have a support this area. So it won't just be a breakout when it comes to minute 10 respecting market by breaking this zone here, going down. If it will give us a good sell signal at this point, then in minute 3, my point, minute 3, it will be a breakout of this support. Hope you are getting my point. So this is how the system arranges itself, because at this point, you will see a breakout at this area. All right, you will see that breakout, and you will rely with this breakout, because here in minute 3, we can see this support, it's already taken out, or it is broken. So that signal that you can get from minute 10 by breaking this zone here, or by giving us a sell signal here, then it can be relied on. Because if you jump to our second confirmation, that will be also a market will respect our resistance at this area. Are you getting the point? Or are you getting lost? Understand this. First confirmation 1, minute 10. We are here already in this support. Let's go step by step, guys, so that you can understand what I'm saying. We are here in this support that was taken out from a resistance now to a support. And anytime again, it can be broken from a resistance, from support again to support. And in this first confirmation, we are in the middle of the game where we don't know whether the market will go up or will go down. So if this market goes down, that's what I'm telling you, in first confirmation, it will be a respect of a resistance. It's already there. The resistance is already there. So you don't have to think twice whether the resistance was respected or we are in the middle. You cannot now call this the middle of the market. This is the best thing about now this system. And I want you to understand this. You cannot say now this is it is in the middle of the market from resistance to support. No, we know here there is a strong resistance that was taken out and turned into and became a support. And anytime, because of the market condition, again, it can be broken. Again, it will turn into a resistance. This time, it is a support because it was a resistance and was broken. Then the market reversed to test this area, and then this market can go up. So this resistance became a support, and if it breaks here down, it becomes also a resistance. Are you getting the point? But instead of maybe you don't understand whether I'm in support or whatever, you cannot say you don't know, because if we go into this minute 10, you can see where our target can be, and you can see we are not in the middle of the game as this template tells us. So the combination of understanding where you are, you can just spot it as simple as this. This support can be broken to be resistant. The resistance can be broken to be support. But you can see also the target where it can be. So this one can tell you the target should be here. Yes, if the market will break this zone and start going down, this is where we are going to target. All right, this is where we are going to target. So it has already prepared a way, a path for you to understand where we are going. And in minute 3, where we are scalping, it has already prepared, because it's telling you it can break this support where we expected also to be broken. Minute 10, then we can go down. So if you understand this system, it will help you to master the charts, master the direction of the market easily without struggling. And since we know people we have different types of people. There is slow learner, there are quick learner, blah, blah, blah. We have all those people. So this is why we are offering a free copier, because after purchasing the system, you must earn. Don't forget, you can purchase the SMC EA at only 850 and receive signal generating EA for free. Or you can purchase signal generating EA for lifetime license at only 650 and receive all services inclusive copier for free, because you must earn and learn. So this is not the time that you purchase the system and you start working alone. This is the time we are working together. You purchase the system, we connect you with our account, you start earning instantly as you master the system through our videos and through on our dynamic courses, all right, for you to understand on how to become like us or even better than us. My work now, it is to educate you on how to master this system step by step. Every day capture one point, every day get a point, and by the end of it, you'll be a very, very independent and a professional trader, because you'll be doing it by yourself. So the signal that we are trading here, the money that you are making here, you'll be making it independently because the system is lifetime license. So all you need, guys, it is to follow the video, watch the video until the end. Make sure in every video, because me, I'm not a content creator that I'm just releasing video. No, make sure you watch every video to the end. At least in every video, get 1 point. Get 1 or 2 points in every video. By the end of it, because there is no hurry, guys. There is no hurry, because we are making money. We are helping you making money. So you are not alone. When you connect your account with our copier, that's all. You'll be making good money. And remember, even if you have $100 in your equity, we are the one in control. We are the one trading for you before you master the system. So it's up to you to make the decision, not at gunpoint. No one is forcing you. The result is speaking by on our behalf. We are sharing result. Make sure you follow us on our Telegram that you're seeing there. It's my WhatsApp number pop-upping on your screen. You can reach me out from to my WhatsApp number to share with you even the link to our Telegram. And don't forget, after purchasing the system, make sure you are also added on our TFX dynamic courses. So guys, I believe you have got the point as we wait for these things to align to know if we are going to buy, because here, like now, for instance, if the market closes here with a good bullish momentum here in minute 10, trust me, we are going to scalp this until to this area. That is the work of the hit and run. And if this market breaks this point, again, we can sell, but for now, we are not selling gold. We'll be waiting for market to reach whatever, where it will go. Then when there is a good preparation of a buy, then boom, we are going to buy that market. So that's how we do our hit and run. So this is the signal. I'm still monitoring to see if we can buy after this, after having a good candle breakout at this point. Then we can hit and run to that point, and I believe from there we can make even $100, $200, $500. It determines with the size of the account. So I believe, guys, you are still getting the point and understanding the system. And thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.